News coming in that firing has been reported in Amshipura area of Shopian district in South Kashmir. The gunmen are believed to be militants who have indiscriminately fired on police party in Shopian. No injuries have been reported, but more details are awaited at the moment. Shuja is now joining us with more details on that story. Shuja, take us through what you're learning at the moment.
Well, Maha, to begin with, the details that are coming up now suggest that three of the three cops have been attacked in this entire incident of firing, and they are believed to have been killed in this attack. And this has happened in one of the areas of Shopian. When the unidentified gunmen indiscriminately fired at these policemen who were on duty. So far, this is the information, the latest that we are getting, that three of them have succumbed to their injuries.
Okay.
So this is the second such incident today. In fact, earlier one had happened in North Kashmir's Patan area, where one constable was fired at by unidentified gunmen, and now this one in the South Kashmir area. And clearly an unfortunate incident here being reported. Three of the cops are, as we are getting the information from the ground, have been killed in this attack.
Shuja, as you're pointing out, this is the second attack that we are seeing on cops in the day today. One reported from North Kashmir, the other from South Kashmir. Are security forces reading any pattern here?
Well, Maha, you know, the distance between them clearly is very wide, and reading out a pattern is very difficult. But yes, this is clearly a sense of alarm that two such incidents have taken place on the same day, and both seemingly targeting the security forces, the policemen who were on duty. So this clearly must be, you know, an incident which has set in the alarm bells ringing. And at this point of time, though there is no word that we are getting from officials, but certainly, yes, this is a cause of concern. Two incidents happening on the same day, both seemingly, targeting the security forces who were on duty.
And what we are learning is that three policemen have been seriously injured in that attack in Shopian. They have been rushed in a critical condition to a hospital in Srinagar. Two incidents coming to light today from Kashmir, one from North Kashmir, one from South Kashmir, on an attack by militants on policemen. Shuja, any more details that you're getting from the security forces as far as this attack in South Kashmir is concerned in Shopian?
Well, Maha, the incident has just happened, and not much has been reported from the ground, but this much that I have been able to confirm from the sources is that this was an act of indiscriminate firing aimed, seemingly at the cops who were on duty in Shopian. What we've been told by our sources is that the firing started in an indiscriminate manner. It was very difficult to even retaliate to it, and three of the cops have been reported killed in this now. I repeat, it's been reported killed. They were injured earlier, and that they later on are believed to have succumbed to their injuries. Clearly, a very, very important, incident here, which is a cause of concern. Certainly, alarm bells must be ringing in the security establishment. This is the second such incident that has happened today. First one in the North Kashmir, and this one in the South Kashmir, where indiscriminate fire has been reported by suspected militants, and clearly the target seems to have been the local police, the policemen on the cops, and the security forces who were on duty.
All right, the target have been policemen. In the second case coming to light from Shopian, Shujaul Haq telling us that the three cops have been killed in that attack in Shopian. Earlier, they were seriously injured and rushed to a hospital, but they seem to have succumbed to their injuries. That is the latest that we're getting from Shopian, an attack on the policemen by militants. Earlier in the day, there was another attack that took place in Patan. This was in North Kashmir, where one cop was shot at while he was going in a passenger bus. The other attack that has taken place today is in Shopian. This attack, from what we learn at the moment and what Shuja is telling us, is that three cops have been killed in this attack.